Hello, I'm back. It's the same day that I recorded part 3, but I'll probably publish this at another time. So, I'm kind of tired, but I will try to get this done. This reducer looks small enough. I just want to get one more thing done. So, yeah, let's go. This is the profile reducer. And I believe this is what shows up when you go to this page. It's got profile, so pretty sure this is right. And oops. Okay, this has to be running. You know what? I forgot to commit the other stuff, so I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Oh. There we go. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't wasting time. I'm going to log in as this guy because he has a profile picture. He didn't edit his bio and wipe out his profile picture, so yeah, it's a server-side bug. Anyway, okay, so what are we doing here? Reducer. Okay, so I'm starting to get the hang of this. Profile.adapter.ts. The first thing we do is create an adapter. Okay, I saw that this has some async state, so I might think about extracting that, but I might not yet. I'll probably do it when I come across the second one. So I'm just going to put this here with it. Okay, I still don't like that, separating out everything like that, but anyway, profile state, loading, so it's got loading there, that's interesting. Oops. Okay, now we've got this is pretty boring. I made my own name for it. I'm going to call it request because profile is implied. Receive. What? Oh, it's not auto-completing because it doesn't even know what I'm typing. Wait. Yeah, this is just going to be the action. So it's just going to be profile and loading false. Okay, and then this isn't technically. That's just reset. Reset on error, apparently. Okay, and then follow success and unfollow success. That's just going to be set. So this is our adapter? That's crazy. Okay. Can we do that? No. Only arrays, apparently. Okay. Now let's go to the facade. The effects are where the exciting stuff is going to happen. But this is going to be like a post action, so I'm going to start there. Request new source. This is the pattern that I'm doing for these ID. Should be a string. Oh, yes, I remember now. I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then unfollow request. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then we're going to have the component. Let's take a look at the component. And I bet it dispatches a load. Ooh. Auth facade user. Oh, auth facade, right. Okay. What does it do with this? It takes it. Oh, this is setting initial state. Maybe this is a super common pattern. Or we could just directly use no. Oh, is user. Oh, that's easy. Okay. Okay, so jeez. What is this? Oh, okay, so we're setting this. That's the profile. Okay, okay, good. This is a nice small feature. I'm happy. Okay, so what this is doing is it's always making sure. Okay, regardless of where this came from, this is ridiculous. I mean, look at this. Username and following. These are very, very easy. These should be booleans or observables. Profile dot pipe. We'll just call it this. Okay. We're gonna should be a selector. This should be a selector. Okay, let's add a selector then to our adapter. There it is. Okay, and then what was the other one? Username? Yes, I think. Yeah, that sounds. Okay, that's cool. That was easy. This should just be auth facade dot not pipe. Yeah, this is following. It's not defined yet. Okay. So that is silly. Toggle following. Okay. Alright. That's just like a with latest from type of thing. So that's unnecessary. Completely. Is user, look at that. Dot next. That's not reactive. So what we're gonna do is combine latest, I think. Yep. Array, right? Okay, good. This dot profile, this dot current user. Follow their inspiration. Don't want to be more verbose than I need to. This is a competition, so yeah, definitely don't want to shoot myself in the foot. with long words. Oh, it's just saying they're the same. Okay. Yeah. Whoa, wait a sec. Yeah, there are probably clever ways to figure that out, but I don't care. That fits on one line? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, so far this is extremely nice and cool. So this is going to be gone. Toggle following. I mean, this is not difficult to imagine what that will do. And then I can organize imports. Good. Common module. Okay. So now I get to go over to the facade and make the store. I mean, it's probably going to do the request first. When does request happen? Like when? Let's see. Load profile. Where does that happen? Oh, there's a resolver service. We want it to load before the route loads? Why is there a loading state then? Is that actually ever used? In the context of profile somewhere? Select loading. We're hiding this if we're loading the thing that supposedly this prevents from even loading. Like the route, right? I'm not going to look back. I'm just going to go forward with my English sentences for the rest of the day because I'm tired. Routes. Yeah, this is all over the place. I just... Resolve. I'm just going to use the same architecture he has. There's no point in getting really worked up over that, I guess. So anyway, resolve. It's just gonna grab the profile observable from the... Oh. This is route params. Okay, so this is interesting. Username comes from route params originally. Does this return anything? No. Resolve. Okay. So it just gets kicked off. It's just like putting it inside an ng on init, I guess. But we're grabbing the... This is a static value. This is not an observable. So how do I want to do this? I can inject this into the facade. Right. Can I do this? Is this even made available here, or is it only in a resolver? Feels like it should be everywhere. But I can always come back to this if needed. Okay, where are the routes? Where's the component? Routes. Just gonna pretend you don't exist and see what happens. Okay. Yes, and then the facade. It's just going to be the parameter. Where'd the resolve surface go? I guess I never did edit it. But anyway, it's going to be this. Yeah, this should be available. No, I think it's only available in the component. If I remember from a long time ago. Pretty sure that's the case, but I will go along with this for now, and I will probably create a method just like I did with the forms state. And because all this will be static, it'll be easy. Yeah, it shouldn't be hard. Okay, so this is the facade, so in the reducer we had success. So okay, if I check it, okay, there's a lot. I'm just gonna plow through this, just hurry. Okay, so follow. This isn't even too bad either. Okay, so action ID is the slug. It's the ID. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so what was the naming convention I used? Let's do login. No. What was the one I did? It's like the first one. That was the second one. What did I do on day 2? Which one was that? Home auth, that's right. So auth facade. Yes, here we go. Alright. Okay, so it was kind of like this. You get login. So follow. Request. Or is this? Yes, and then pipe. Yep, that's a string. Okay, switch. Oh, concat map. He did concat map in the effects. If you're toggling, it'll send to, you know what? It's one button press. I'm going to call it follow toggle request. Okay? That'll be the single thing that happens, so. Okay, so get rid of that. Okay, am I worried about making this perfect behavior or just converting it? I mean, How do people expect it to behave? If it were optimistic updates, you'd expect it to just be the opposite of what they see. But since it's delayed, do they want to do the same thing twice? It should probably just be exactly what they see. So that was nothing. So what goes here? Follow payload. And then what they were seeing before. Or do we do one of those things where... Yeah, I think we do. I think we just ask our state what it is, and who cares about the... Yeah, because it's part of state, so we can grab it from there. So I think this is one of those circular things I was talking about, where it starts with the state. No, it's not circular. Well, we need the spy thing. Okay, so because this gets to plug into the store. Okay, what do we call this? Because we're gonna have two of these. One of these is detached. I'm just gonna call it that. Spy following. That's kind of mysterious sounding, like it's a spy following somebody. I like it. Okay. Okay, we need adapt. That's cool. This is gonna be a profile. Yeah. Adapter dot following. Okay. So okay, next is okay. Okay, follow toggle request. Okay, cat map. And this is going to be ID and following. Wait a sec. Where does the ID come from? We could just grab this from state. I won't worry about it. It makes sense to put it as part of the payload. In case something changes, it changes away from toggle to something else. Okay, and we're going to return the service. Where are the effects? This. So we're going to return this. So we need action service. That seems generic. ID. Okay. Okay. This is. We actually do want this. Not yet. We won't execute it yet. And then what's the deal with this? Oh, right, it's a source, so we need the payload. Right? Yeah, payload is ID. Sweet, that's great. Okay, things are looking pretty good. Now we need the request. All the sources. And here's an interesting thing, because we're going to do get HTTP sources and pass in the observable. I need the input from the observable here. But I don't want to do this. I don't want to nest an observable again. Not unless I need to. And I don't think I do. So, yeah. I guess it's not a disaster if it just shows this. Okay, let's just do that. Follow toggle. Okay. And then I'm beginning to think this might be pointless, because for a lot of these, what is inside the profile response? Let's take a look. You got the profile, so yeah, I'll just drill down to that. Okay, and then have this be, I don't know what's useful. Okay, it could be worse. All right. Okay, so that's not necessary. That never was. Well, that's it. So we got the thing that fires after, like when the action is performed, and then we've got the success and error ones, but we only need success, so I'm just going to get started with the store. It's going to be profile, same as that, so might as well. Desktop path. Okay, use the same thing, and then profile adapter, initial state. Oh no, we don't want that. That was pretty weird. What's your deal? Oh, yeah, we don't need that anymore. And someday we might need this. It's going to go into initial state, right? Wasn't that it? Or profile. So when I define profile stuff, which apparently is sort of right now. Okay, load profile. Where are the effects? Right here is where they are. Yep, that's why I need it. Yeah. What's the deal here? Oh, profile surface is not here. Cool. Username is undefined, so right, this hope it works. Okay, this is already profile. Good. Another split here. That's prettier is funny. Actually, I'm going to call this another one of these. Slightly inconsistent naming with this pattern, but whatever. And this will probably all be put into a method with the username passed in from the component. Probably. Don't know why we're going to grab profile state. Okay, so, all right. So let's look at their methods. So you've got request. Request, okay. What's the matter? Oh, it's that stupid thing again, right? How did I handle it in the other project? Because, wait, what does this need? An action of any, which means the payload can be anything, which means anything except undefined. Yeah, it really pisses me off. It doesn't matter, but I'm doing it. Why? What's the matter with this? Where to get action from, that's the issue, probably. Yeah, scheduler. StateAdapt. Here we go. All right. Okay, what's the next thing? So receive. That's the success one. Success. Great. It's expecting a profile. It's emitting a profile. Then we get about following and unfollowing. What did it do? Oh, it just reset. That's nice. Yeah, it just reset. So for, oops, back here, reset when there, either way actually, so it's the same thing. Okay, and then there was a set one. What was the set one? load profile failure. And it sets it to, well, that's actually reset. This is set. And this is reset. So set comes with all of them. And reset. Is it this one failure? Yeah, I think that was it. Error. Super simple. This is this. This is the reducer. Just another reminder. So reset happens when load profile fails. Okay, great. That's easy. I seriously doubt. Okay, this doesn't exist anymore. I seriously doubt that I actually have access to this in a service. I think I tried this a long time ago. So I will call this get store, but anyway, one more thing. Following equals following and profile. That's the other one. Isn't that one? Oh, that's the whole thing, isn't it? Yeah. Username was the other one. So I will add that. Okay. No switch maps needed. Is it available in the constructor? Yes, it is. Okay. So I won't need asynchronous stuff. Man, that's great. And anything here? Follow failure. What does that mean? Where is this? Article effects. Oh, follow failure. Oh. Huh. This is action. This is doing the same stuff. But these are all article actions, so let the article reducer handle that still. But yeah. So back to the effects, right? That's what I was looking at. Yeah, this doesn't matter. Or no, it does matter. I already accounted for it. Yeah. This only results in profile. Get profile, merge map. Did I switch map or what? Nothing. Oh, it's stream of actions. Wait a sec. Yeah, this immediately will create the observable and it'll make the request when you subscribe, which is good. Profile request. Yeah, it just grabs that. This might be more generic. Let's see where the actions are used. See if maybe we're yeah, okay. This was simple. Good. Good. Okay, now I'm going to delete. This is truthy. Expect true to be true. Yes, I love that. I'll miss you, reducer. I'll miss you. Oh, boring. Those are default. Okay. All right, profile component. Oh, this, of course, that wouldn't be there. Yeah, look at that. Let's just try that. Actually, this is a better name. That's a command. This is an event. So yeah, that can go away. All right, now to fix the template. Why isn't this just username? That's good. It could just be bio. We had a selector for that. Why didn't we use it? Not that I care. And I don't even need to change that, so I'm not going to. Just gonna leave things alone. I don't need to touch. Image. I definitely need to touch this. That's the only place. But I need to provide the ID. Don't I? Yes, I do. Where's the ID? If it's a user, we don't want to follow the user. Makes sense. How do I pass the ID in? Is it even using? That was just for the component use. I mean, if we're not ever using this, then why did I even make it? Username. That was almost a bug. Following. Nothing. So yeah, why did I make that? I didn't need to. Apparently we only need the profile. We're just gonna put everything in the template. I could just grab, why am I here? I could just grab the ID here. It'd be pretty easy. Where's the spy thing? Yeah, spy following. Just make a spy ID. Wait, what is the ID? It's the user of it's the profile we're looking at. Yeah. So go back to the component. Here we've got current user and profile. Profile is the one we want. Does make more sense to put it here, but in no place did they unwrap the profile. So this is, well, profile is loading. Yeah, I'm gonna do everyone a favor here. Container. NGF profile. What's the initial state for profile? Hopefully it just exists at least. Yeah, it's an empty object, so it will be defined. Let's do this. I hope this works and isn't stupid. All right. Right. I mean, there's always going to be a profile. This might not be defined, but the profile will be defined. And then here in our submit thing, we can do profile dot ID. Is that it? Yeah. Username. Yes, username. Okay. Facade. There we go. And in the effects, what was it called? Username? It was called ID. But it's literally the username though, right? Does the profile have an ID? No. Well, I'm just gonna see if this works. ID, but even that was just username, as we see here. Yeah. Oh, self-service. I guess I can get rid of this now. Well, in routes, I will, yeah. Not import it anymore. Don't need that. Don't need the effects. Don't need that, I hope. Okay, well, let's see what's erroring now. It can't, like, it's still, I hope that it's only trying to do that because oh, the index file. I mean, who's importing this? Let's find out. Nobody, literally nobody. I'm not going to delete it quite yet, but it is useless right now, according to me. Okay, alright, let's test this stuff. Is this a profile page? Well, that failed. Huh, yep. Okay. I will go ahead and make that method then. I thought I would have to try to avoid it, but now there's going to be errors here, and I have to put this here, and let's just do this. Interesting. I think it'll error before console logs it, but maybe not. I don't know. Well, it's not even going to compile, so it'll be there. It just will. And we'll pass it in params, username. Okay, and then we'll do all of this. All right, profile facade. And in the end, we're just returning a store. All right, so let's let's just yeah, let's just dump it all in, all of it. Const path, so where's that going to be referenced? Right here and here. Nope. What's the best way to... Oops. Okay, let's just return this. And put this down here. Okay. That's only used once, so put that there. This dot, we don't need it there. We do need it the next time. Don't need it there. Don't need it there. We need it there, we need it there. Don't need it there. Don't need it, don't need it. Oh, wait. Undo. Now we don't need it. Yay, it's perfect. Oh, we need to... okay. Dang it. Okay. And we can pass these in just like last time. We can even just pass in an object called sources if it's dependent on the component, but doesn't matter. So that is gone. This one will be similar. Great. Wow, there's only two. That's nice. Okay, so, all right. I go down here. I wish we could destructure as property class properties. Okay, we're getting close. I'll just double store. I mean, that's already there, so there's that. And that's the same. This dot profile, this dot currency. Where is that? And why isn't it bothered? Oh. Okay. I'm getting tired. Okay. This dot. Hey, that wasn't bad. So wait, where's the? Oh, this isn't a real. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need to be ridiculous. All right. Great. Let's put that here then, because these do not depend on it at all. This one does, so it can grow in the future. All right. Oh man, it's building. Sweet. It sucks. No. Oh, this is okay. It's gonna be an observable, I think. No. Oh no, I can grab the snapshot. I remember now. Yay. Now, because the component's going to be there, and the reason it's observable, this is the reason they put ArcGIS in Angular, one of the main reasons, because when you're at the actual route, it's going to, that's convenient. It looks like it's working. But when you're at the route, when the parameter changes, it doesn't tear down the component, it just updates. So if we could go between users, I think the other app would have had a problem with it too, but yeah, we could do the same pattern as the other one, but I was gonna leave it like this. It'll be the same behavior because the resolver, I don't think it runs unless, maybe it does run. Does it run if you're changing the query parameter? Because I thought it only ran when you enter the route. Yeah, this is just one big fat route right here. How does it work? Can you click on the usernames from articles? Let's just write one real quick. That's a great article. Where is it? Huh? Where is it? Here it is. Okay. It's another issue with the... Okay. Oh, you can. I'm gonna go favorite some articles now. Let's see. Where did my post go, my other guy? I guess I don't care. I'm gonna favorite this. Great article. Now I'm gonna go back here. What's going on here? Yeah, this didn't update. That makes sense. How did that? Profile Jerome and it's not updating. Did it used to? Let's do a get stash real quick and see. I bet it did. I'll pass the observable in and chain the source off of it. That's what I'll do. That's easy. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Anyway, so I'm getting really close. Apply, get stash apply. Okay, good. Yeah, we don't need the resolver. Let's go back to the component. Let's pass that in. Let's save that, and then we'll make this observable of string. Beautiful. That was easy. Yeah, it was a source, not initial state. If it's initial state, then this sucks. This sucks. What if, you know what? I could have done this. I could have passed the follow-up initial state as a set. Why didn't I? Maybe that's the pattern to go for. I'm talking about the other video I did, part 3. If initial state depends on something asynchronous, we can pass a dumb initial state, because that's basically what I'm doing. Because the observable is going to have a default value that emits immediately. I mean, in both cases it did. 2 different components. So, yeah, I could have just had set be an observable. Yeah, I should have done that. Well, I think I'll make that another part. I'll go back and change that, and then don't need to worry about the weirdness. I mean, it works the way it is, but anyway, let's see if this works. Where's the redness? Right here. There is the red. Okay. Nice. It's working. Nope, it's not. Oh. Okay. Now try. Okay, that was fast. Hey, it's a little weird, but that works. Yep. It's a little weird, but that's okay. I don't like it though. Not anymore. Is it still here? Didn't refresh. Didn't invalidate. Huh. That's probably... It's not that important, but... Okay. Alright. It's done. It showed a bad image first. That's what this is for, right? Oh no. That's this. I should just... But then it does that. Well, I think it does that anyway. It's all kind of jumpy. Yeah. I'll just keep the code the same when in doubt. Okay, so cleanup. What cleanup items? I'm going to delete this thing because it's not needed anywhere. Okay, there's no spec file. Okay. Is it still building? What's this from? Oh, the index. The other index. Yep. Get out of here. Okay, so we're good again. Oh, no, that's open editors. Okay, that's good. That's dead. That's dead. That's cool. That's dead. That's pretty cool. If we wanted to, we could have made this and no, then the rest would be an observable all wrapped in. So I'm okay with how it is. All right. Reducer. That's dead. That's dead. This is great. This is clean and good. All right. So let's look at the stats. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, there was a lot of code that we got rid of. All of this was replaced with that. And even that had a lot taken away. Wow, that was a productive session. Wow, that one was awesome. Great. Okay, let's look at the exact math. So we have 201 deleted, 201 and 64 added. 68%. Yeah, 2/3. That was awesome. Okay. I didn't even check Redux DevTools. I mean, why wouldn't it work? Everything is working. So let me go back though. Profile. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there it goes. I was about to pause the recording because I hate waiting. I don't want you to wait. Profile, success. Yeah, that's my thing. Oh yeah, what about following? I didn't test that. So let's go to favorites. Oh, I don't like his post anymore. That's right. Okay, so let's go back to favorited articles. Hey, it's Jerome. All right, follow Jerome. What's going on? Did it? What's happening? Ha. No. It didn't do a thing. Okay, this is a bug. Gotta fix this. Okay, profile facade. We've got toggle. Yes, follow toggle request. Let's check the template. Follow toggle request right here. Profile.username. Okay. Done. Next. And that is right. That's the exact same thing. Yes. Yes, exact same thing. It's being plugged in, right? No, it's not. No, it is, because it turns into this, which turns into that, which turns into that. What about failure? Wasn't that one of them? Let's look back at the reducer. Follow, success, unfollow. So success for either of them, so that's why it's just that. And the payload is profile. Let's see. Concat map. Okay, I'm gonna look at this, double check that this is working. Okay. Sources. Facade. Nope. Let's add a tap here. This should be easy. Hey, good. Wait. Yeah, okay. That is a get. Nothing happened. But I mean, this came through. So here's an issue. It might be this right here. This might be the issue. Following. This is a selector. State.following, and it starts as false, but when the profile loads, that will change. So I'm going to get rid of that. Tap. Thanks for that. False. Good. Hey. Wow. Okay, what is up with that? So following is false. Username is Jerome. Great. This looks good. That is an observable. It's like it's not subscribing. No, I will just see if it was even called, maybe? If someone tried calling it. So what's this? Action service. What's going on here? is going on? This should emit. Okay. Username. Yes, it's the username. That's ridiculous. It's being subscribed to. I know it is. Yeah. Of course it's being subscribed to. Okay, if this returns something weird, so yeah, there's a subscription. It's subscribing to this, which comes from this, which chains off of this, which is subscribed to this. So concat map. Is it timing out? Like what is going on? Am I using this wrong somehow? No. It's just weird that that was never used at all. Unfollow failure. Whatever. Unfollow failure. That's harsh. Okay. This is bugging me. I'm going to push pause. Well, it looks like the API service is defective in this action service because I do this, I subscribe, this never runs. Tried a lot of things, but this, if this doesn't work, then what's the point? Nothing else matters. So yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Like I can't even get a profile. Like I don't even think I can get my own. Well, this could yeah, this could be a server-side problem, except I don't see any network requests happening. Yeah, I can get Jerome. I don't know what's going on. It's so confusing. So, to be continued after I pause and take a break. Okay, finally figured it out. The thing I was doing before, just getting the method name. This, I was testing a lot of things and calling it like this. That was causing this to be undefined, but no error was being thrown. So that, not fun. So once again, I hate this. Good to know. Yeah. All right, anyway, but this works anyway. I'm yeah, unfollowing, following. It's all working. All the actions are firing. Just how I wanted. So, yeah, very, very. Loading. Okay. Good. Oh, that's on my reducer. I didn't touch that one. It's kind of weird. Oh, following went to false. Loading disappeared apparently. It's just gone. I'm pretty sure that's how it would have been in the reducer. So yeah, look at this. Just sets it. Okay, well, I mean, that took a while at the very end part, but it's all working though now, and I'm glad it. This was a good feature to convert. And what I said earlier about using set, that's probably worth it, because it bugs me a little bit that the initial state is going to be like state from somewhere else isn't going to be able to be part of initial state if you do it that way. You're firing a new action for it. So first of all, StateAdapt is a slight compromise because every single store that gets initialized is an action being fired as if some event happened. And it's just like a default thing. That's just how it goes. But I'm thinking that to avoid this weird stuff with the subscriptions and the observable inside the observable, or the store inside of the observable, and all the chaos there, probably just having this go into a set source, or like a whatever is needed for, so that it can so initial state can be separate, it can be its own thing, and then like there is an initial state, and then the observable emits with something. I'll have more thoughts on this in the future, but in this general pattern of state moving from one store to another, like it's not something I love. I created a thing for joining stores, so that state doesn't get duplicated. So you can have different state in different stores, and if you need to do something with both of them, you can select from both of them. But yeah, the settings adapter, facade. What is this? Where's the oh, it's the forms one, of course. That's what I'm talking about, the forms one. Yeah. Seems like the adapter should be merged and then all the states should be together. That's what it seems like to me, because if there's like a dependency, it's weird to like use events to push to copy state to other parts of the state. Yeah, it doesn't seem totally reactive or minimal. Reactive programming is minimal. Okay, well, anyway, this feature's done. Took a bit longer than I thought, but the result is good. So, thanks for watching, and I wonder if next video I'll make an extra video in this that I wasn't planning on and rewrite this to use set, or figure something else out. Maybe I might make a bonus video at the very end where I overview all of it and decide how I would architect it if I were starting over again. That's probably what I should do. It's a big project. It's probably worth the general overview. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll make a new video soon, and I'll schedule it to publish probably a couple days after this one. All right. Thank you. Bye.